Tampa, partly sunny, temperature 81, wind south at 15 miles per hour,
Bruh.
gusting to 24. In Jacksonville, cloudy, 71, wind west at 13 miles per hour. Miami, mostly sunny, 81, wind southeast at 18 miles per hour. Once again in Orlando, the temperature was 75 degrees under partly sunny skies. The latest marine reports.
Oh, there we go.
We're testing. No.
What?
Required weekly test. The preceding signal was a test of the NOAA radio public warning system. Specially built receivers are activated by the signal to warn of severe weather or other hazards. Tests are normally conducted each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon, and again between 6 and 8 p.m. If severe weather is expected on Wednesday, the test will be postponed until the next day, weather permitting. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning signals, can vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can result even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. Warning alarm tones are activated on transmitters for counties where the signal is reliably received, in sufficient strength for consistent and dependable service. For station KIH63 in Daytona Beach, warning alerts will be activated for Volusia, Flagler, Putnam, Lake, Seminole, Brevard, and Orange counties. For station KIH63 in Orlando, warning alerts will be activated for Brevard, Lake, Orange, Osceola, Polk, Seminole, and Volusia counties. For station WXJ70 in Melbourne, warning alerts will be activated for Brevard, Indian River, Orange, and Osceola counties. For station WWF69 in Fort Pierce, warning alerts will be activated for Indian River, Martin, Okeechobee, and St. Lucie counties. This has been a test of the NOAA radio public warning system. We now return to the regular broadcast program. Your weather round now at 5
Alright, so that happened.
Orlando International Airport.
I forgot my FR370 was on channel 4. There we go. Channel 5 time now.
Tavares, Lady Lake, Mount Dora, Orange City. Dewberry, Lisbon, Emerald, and Lake Griffin. HTTP.
Let's go.